forthcoming parliament elections, the Congress has raised its budget. It's a vote on account budget in the assembly, saying that because the central government has not announced its full budget, so we are also going for the vote on budget, which is ridiculous. And second issue is none of their promises were mentioned in this budget, and none of the promises being either mentioned or the funds were allocated to them. And the budget today, which they've placed for 3 lakh crore rupees, seems to be only numbers but not the fact. It is not going to be the fact, and it is just a political speech where in the view of the forthcoming elections, they just wanted to mention that they're going to do all the welfare schemes which were not specifically mentioned, and specifically the amount has been allocated. So it is a budget which has no fact and stand. So I would like to say that it is just a political speech of Deputy Chief Minister in the Assembly.